Hey guys, I am back and I am here to do another review of a hair tool that's going to produce a completely different type of hairstyle that I've actually never done before. This is my actual hair when I come out of the shower and I blow dry it. What is this? You tell me. I don't know. I think I cracked the code. I think I'm Barbara Marley because it just looks like I have dreads. It's not straight. It's not curly. It's not wavy. I don't know. And I hate you. Anyway, back to the product I'm gonna use. So here it is, okay? This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So this is essentially a wand, but look how thin it is. The name of it's called Lee Stafford Chopstick Styler, which I thought was adorable because it really is the size of a chopstick, right? First of all, I had a lot of good reviews on Amazon, but I actually was interested in getting this because I really miss the spiral curls that I used to have. There is no temperature on this. It's just one switch on and off, and that's it. Very simple. And now I feel like it's nanotechnology, infrared light, digital temperature, whatever. I mean, let's just keep it basic today. All right, I'm a little bit nervous about how this is my absolute first time using this. Seriously, I have not experimented with it. So my hair could either look like George Washington at the end of this, or it'll look dope. So first things first, you're definitely gonna wanna section your hair. And I just take a clip, and I'm just gonna do that, okay? So, I can't really, like it's, ow! Not sure what the best way to use this is. I'm not gonna take super tiny sections. Let's see what releases. Oh, how cute! Dude, this is a straight up ringlet. This is straight up curly fries ringlet. A lot of people, I guess, might take smaller sections, but I'm gonna take bigger sections because again, my whole purpose with hair is to make it go by fast. Release. Oh. But you know what I like about this already is that it's quick. I don't have to hold it for 30 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever. I can hold it for 5 and just let go. Look how much wrappage you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I feel like Shirley Temple. Oh my God. Look at the difference, you guys, between my hair, okay, my hair, and this hair, which is still my hair, right? But it's just been styled with this chopstick. Okay, section 3 is complete. Let's do this final top section on my head. This is obviously, you guys, not how the style is gonna end up looking. We're gonna try to see if we can brush it out, but I'm really impressed with how spirally, honestly, my hair has been getting, and also with how fast it's been going. I started at 5:15, it's now 5:30. Literally just 15 minutes, I did like 3/4 of my head. What? Look at that difference right there. It's insane. I'm a little bit nervous because I have not experimented with brushing out curls that have been this spirally, It's gonna go one of two ways. Either it's gonna look amazing and cute and fun, or I'm I'm gonna have to just put my hair up in a top knot. I feel like those are the only two options ever. Either your hair looks bomb or you just have to do a top knot. Obviously, this chopstick did its job. Now it's my job to brush it out to my liking. I'm gonna just brush my finger. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, wait. It's getting tangled. Shh. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Okay. I don't want to like start by brushing it with a hairbrush yet. I want to kind of just separate it with my fingers first and see what that does before I go like full-blown brushing. You guys, we gotta be different, you know? Like, I'm so tired of, you know, the same typical blowout that I do, or like loose curls. I mean, you gotta spice it up for, not for anyone else, but for yourself, you know? Okay, so you have to be careful because it could get kind of knotty up in here. I don't think I'm like really fully aware of how to comb this out. I think it's fixable though, like hair is fixable, so relax, because holy shit. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Negi Mirsodahi's Gisu honey, and that's gonna give it a little bit of moisture because my hair, I feel like, is really knotted right now. Just gonna take a few drops. Just gonna like contain it a little bit. It smells so good, and it just softens your hair. So it's definitely getting softer. So what I've been doing is I've just been pulling down like this, and it really helps to soften the curls. And then when you let go, there's still all that volume there. Then what's best is if you take a comb like this. This is a wet brush. I love the brand Wet. You don't want to start brushing your hair out from the roots. It's best to start at the bottom. And it's best to really take your time and go slow, because honestly, if you don't, you're gonna end up in a tangled mess because your hair is so curly and fluffy that like you need to have a lot of control doing this, or it'll be like knots all over your head. Okay. So again, brush the bottoms carefully, section by section, just kind of go through it. There's no rhyme or rhythm to this. What I also find to work really well is if you take your hair section by section and again, just go through it and actually twist it like this, and it's actually going to soften the curl even more. It's going to soften your hair. So again, just take it, run through it with the serum, or even without serum, it's still going to soften your hair. Twist it like this and let go. See? Much softer, much more manageable, if you will. And actually, I did this off camera, but I ended up bringing my part over this way because I just think this hairstyle looks better with a more exaggerated side part. So guys, this is the final result of using the Lee Stafford Chopstick Styler. This is so cute. I love it. It is a little bit of a learning curve in terms of, you know, how to make sure your hair doesn't get super knotty in the process, because the ringlets are so tight, with how to manage it after the fact and how to brush it out. But oh my gosh, once you get the hang of it, this is so adorable. Honestly, this only took me half an hour. And the reason it took me half an hour is because it was my absolute first time. You know, I was like problem solving as I went along, but oh my gosh, next time it's gonna be way shorter, the time it takes. But yes, I love it.